Hello people, and for this video, we're going to show you how to add an image overlay on your CapCut video project. So first off, if you don't have one already, just tap on New Project, and from here, let's say we're going to use this video, simply tap Add. Now by default, you are not selecting the video, but if you are, it would be highlighted like this. White borders for the video track below, and light blue borders on the preview. What we have to do is to tap. So you can see down below the option to add overlay. Just tap on overlay, add overlay. And by default, you can even overlay a video, but in this case, we will add a photo. Let's say I want to add this photo here. So once here on the bottom right, just tap add. And there you have it. You have a picture on top of the video. You can stretch it as you please. And so now the picture is on the screen. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.